Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Venmo business account. First, if you're looking for an inside app tutorial, this is not the video for you. I'm outside US at the moment and I cannot access my Venmo account. So first, if you're trying to create or make a Venmo business account, you'll need to have Venmo downloaded into your phone. If not, go and download it first. So how to make a Venmo for business account? All you need to do, just go, as we said, and then log in or sorry, open your app. Once you open it, as you can see, of course, you can do that also on the Venmo browser. If you want, you can go to venmo.com as an example. So let's just say we go to venmo.com, and all you need to do, of course, you'll find here normally login, but you can click on get Venmo. Once you click normally on get Venmo, as you can see, you can choose if you are personal, teen, or business. You'll have to choose business as an example here, and then you can, of course, you can get up and running in minutes and etc. So pay one of the lowest fees and etc. Accepts Venmo cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay. Sell with confidence. So you can click on create your profile, enter your phone number here. As example, let's say this one, click on send code and you will receive a code. Click on confirm it. Then you'll have to enter your email address, confirm it, and go through other steps. So you can do the same on your phone as example. You can just go to your phone and do the same. So you can go and sign up into an account and make sure, of course, to choose business. So how can you do that? Of course, Venmo, of course, support like this version of Apple, this version of Android, etc. When your personal account is set up, you can verify it and you should see a business option. Of course, that's if you want to switch from personal to business, you'll be able to do that. How to set up Venmo for business, of course, what's to prefer before getting started. Of course, you can create one business profile, so take some time to get this right. So the first thing you will need, of course, is a personal Venmo account. You can set up one through venmo.com or through their mobile app. And you'll be using your mobile app for payment. They're also offer like debit card, etc. Venmo supports Apple, etc. What's its support like for operating system? And the next section, as example, will give you step-by-step instructions on how to set up Venmo for business. So you'll need a social security number or EIN to complete that process. You'll also need to choose an email address, phone number to handle for that account. The handle is the business, of course, going to be at business name tag. At others will use when they want to pay you. So then, of course, how to set up, choose the business option in your home page, enter then the phone number and click on send code, enter the legal name. Of course, that's if you create it from the beginning, probably. But if you're switching, probably you're going through the same steps. Read and agree to the terms and conditions, username, display, description, business category, add a background and profile photo, add mailing address and business information, and you should be good to go. So that's going to be for this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.